Hello again, everyone. My name is Cameron. That's a picture of me. And my blog was called Restaurants Redefined, just to give you a bit of history. So my blog, as my tagline says, it was about ideas for restaurant owners to operate in a pandemic, from a restaurant to our family who operated business after a natural disaster. To give you a quick history, my family is from an island in the Caribbean called St. Martin. We were hit by a hurricane called Irma in 2017, and we had to learn how to operate after the natural disaster pretty much destroyed the island. And I've took those lessons learned and I applied it to the pandemic to help small business restaurants thrive in this time period. So let's go over to our blog now. I have a lot more blog posts than I previously did. So new normal, I talk about how to renovate your restaurant afterwards. This is artist rendering, how to create an online presence, which is really important. Identify your target market. Hey, that's me. Popular service delivery apps, because that's become crucial. How to be innovative to drive sales. And these are the ones I also highlighted in my first video, cutting costs, and then talking about the natural disaster and telling folks, I'm not an expert, but I'm here to try to provide my personal experiences. So I did try my best to post about this on Twitter and reach out to my target audience, which was small business restaurateurs. I got some traction. Not as much as I may have liked, but a lot of folks in the class were incredibly supportive, so I really appreciate everyone. Thank you for reading and sharing and providing comments and feedback. Overall, I would say that my posts were great because, I'll go here. My family won some awards for being innovative at one of our restaurants this year. We also were able to give some great advice to folks in the industry in St. Martin based on our feedback. And we were also able to learn a lot from the research that I did for this blog post. So overall, I would say it's a win-win. And it helped us get ready for COVID. So thank you again, and wishing everyone the best of luck. Take care.